you know that salmon can swim thousands of miles and then return to the exact spot where they were born? In this video, we explore the process of raising salmon and harvesting salmon eggs from modern farms to meticulous processing. How are salmon raised properly? How are salmon eggs harvested? Find out now. The salmon egg farming process begins with harvesting and fertilization under controlled conditions. After 4 to 12 weeks, the eggs hatch into larvae, alevins, marking an important stage of development. When the eggs hatch, the fries still have their yolk sacs, which provide nutrition. Once the yolk sacs are depleted, the fish become free swimming and move on to the next stage. The fry are transferred to larger tanks, begin to eat food outside the tank, and develop distinctive fins and stripes. The sea cage model combined with IoT technology helps optimize the salmon farming process, improve production efficiency, and minimize environmental impact. Underwater cameras continuously monitor fish health, detect sick or injured fish early, helping farmers take timely intervention measures. Sensors and AI track fish activity, automatically adjusting feed amounts, helping to reduce waste and water pollution. The IoT integrated sea cage model helps fish grow faster, increase productivity, and reduce costs through automation. When the fish reach standard size, they are scooped up and transported to the factory for processing. Fresh salmon is kept cold at the factory to ensure its freshness. Once it arrives, the fish is put through an automated pre-processing process. Salmon is arranged in a closed process, ensuring continuous and synchronized processing. Salmon is brought to workers with skillful hands to quickly remove the head. The tail will be cut off by modern machines. Once the head and tail are removed, the salmon is moved to the side cutting stage, separating it into 2 halves of fillet. At the same time, the main bones are removed in preparation for the process of picking out small bones and refining the fish. The salmon is passed through a state-of-the-art machine to remove any remaining small bones. This process is quick, ensuring the fish is boneless while still retaining its texture and freshness. After picking up the bones, the salmon continues to the edging conveyor, where excess edges are trimmed. This step helps create a beautiful shape, ensuring high aesthetics for the product. After cutting the meat and picking the bones, the salmon is inspected one last time before being vacuum packed and refrigerated, ensuring its freshness when transported to the market. Salmon is a popular ingredient in many delicious dishes, such as sashimi, sushi, pan-fried salmon steak, salmon hot pot, or salmon salad. Not only delicious, salmon is also rich in omega-3, which helps protect the heart, improve brain function, boost immunity, and beautify the skin. Thank you for watching the whole video. Don't miss the following interesting videos on the channel.
Seahorse farming is not only a fascinating practice but also a crucial solution to meet the increasing demand for these remarkable creatures in traditional medicine, aquariums, and other industries. But have you ever wondered how these enchanting marine animals are farmed sustainably and what role they play in conservation? Today, we'll dive deep into the world of seahorse farming, uncovering its importance in both preserving seahorse population. Take place. Seahorse farming plays an essential role in ensuring the sustainability of these fascinating creatures. Whether it's used for building homes, producing paper, creating this regenerative property is one of the key reasons bamboo is considered such a sustainable resource. Bamboo's shallow root systems hold the soil in place, preventing soil erosion, while also requiring little water to thrive once established. Additionally, bamboo absorbs carbon dioxide more efficiently than many trees, making it a vital player in efforts to combat climate change. Farming bamboo, a sustainable solution. Bamboo farming has become increasingly resistant to pests and diseases, reducing the need for harmful chemicals. By choosing bamboo over other materials, we are helping to preserve biodiversity and protect ecosystems from degradation. The future of bamboo farming. As global awareness of environmental issues grows, the demand for bamboo products will continue to rise. Bamboo is also used to make other disposable products like cutlery, including spoons, forks, and straws. These products are ideal for consumers who want to make environmentally responsible choices. Bamboo straws, for example, are a popular alternative to plastic straws, which are notorious for contributing to pollution in oceans and landfills. Bamboo straws offer a completely biodegradable solution and can be used multiple times, helping to minimize the amount of plastic waste. Generally popular method of production due to its efficiency and environmental benefits. The farming methods used for bamboo are not only cost-effective but also labor-friendly. Bamboo farming is especially well suited for rugged or mountainous terrains, where machinery is difficult to operate. In these areas, farmers often rely on traditional biodegradable consumer goods, or reducing plastic waste. Bamboo offers a sustainable solution for a range of industries. If you're interested in learning more about the fascinating processes behind bamboo farming and production, we invite you to explore our upcoming videos, where we'll dive deeper into how bamboo is cultivated and processed into a variety of products that are transforming industries and protecting our planet. In traditional Chinese medicine, separated by single-use products. As the global demand for sustainable alternatives increases, bamboo is positioned as a solution to the plastic crisis, providing both eco-friendliness and durability. Bamboo in construction and paper production. Beyond disposable products, bamboo is also making waves in the building and paper industries. It doesn't need pesticides or chemical fertilizers, and its rapid growth allows farmers to harvest it multiple times a year without harming the ecosystem. Bamboo is also known to be highly. This incubation period can last several weeks, after which the male gives birth, releasing hundreds of tiny baby seahorses into the water. However, survival is tough. Only about 5 out of 1,000 baby seahorses will make it to adulthood due to predation and other challenges. In modern seahorse farms, advanced technology is used to track and monitor the conditions of the seahorses, ensuring their well-being. One of the most common uses for bamboo is in disposable products, such as bamboo chopsticks. These serve as an eco-friendly alternative to plastic chopsticks, which contribute to significant environmental pollution. Bamboo chopsticks are biodegradable, non-toxic, and safe for health, while also helping to reduce plastic waste. Methods to harvest bamboo, conserving labor while ensuring the environment remains intact. The bamboo harvesting process itself can be challenging, especially in remote areas where bamboo grows. Transporting the bamboo from the forests to the base of the mountains often requires skill and specialized equipment. From egg to commercial harvest, the farming process usually takes about 6 to 12 months, depending on the size and purpose of the seahorses. Dried seahorses have long been a valuable commodity in traditional medicine, especially in countries like China, where they are prized for their medicinal properties.